Hey folks, my name is Tuesday Chambers. I'm the Ballard High School librarian in Seattle, Washington. And there's just so many ideas in terms of hands-on activities that we can create and make and use in our libraries to create joy. We have implemented a maker station, so there are make and take activities, not only on lunch tables during lunch where people can do crafty things, but also at an actual station where you can come by, pick up a plastic bag and create like a fidget toy or a bookmark at home. Or in some cases, we had it was National Tea Month, and so they braided and weaved their own tea cozies and took those home. We did screen printing on T-shirts. We sewed dog toys. These little donuts. Do not forget to read. So we tried to incorporate some of our theme for that year with the donuts. We had Plant Club bring in some leaves and identify some leaves for us. Then we made those into some really beautiful bookmarks that were almost like works of art. We use a lot of those pipe cleaners to make anything from roses to pumpkins. We do a lot of weaving and a lot of tactile hand a lot of tactile projects that we can use our hands with. We also do a lot of coloring. So we take images and we blow them up on butcher paper, and then we make huge pieces on tables and just put color crayons and coloring pencils everywhere so people can draw. And of course, we have some more techie things like sewing machines and embroidery machines that students have created their own clothes and then shown them off. But that is definitely the more techie side for us. We just know that the more you create opportunities for students to enjoy themselves, use their hands, talk to one another, create community, it creates more joy. So we can't wait to hear your ideas too.